$60 PayPal payment, $80 PayPal payment, $30 PayPal payment, and $40 PayPal payment. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make over $200 by just testing websites only. As you can see here on my screen, I made a total of $210 this month, in this month of August, by just testing websites. And if you take note, all these were made in this month of August, as you can see in this month of August. So let's sum up the money I made by just testing website this month. So UserTesting gave me $60, uTest gave me $80, userlytics gave me $30, and it also gave me $40. So if I should sum up $60 plus $80 plus $60 plus $80, that's $140, and $140 plus $30, that's $170, and $170 plus $40, that's $210. And that's to show you that I made $210 by just testing websites. So I want you guys to stick with me from now to the very end of this video. I'm going to be walking you guys on how I make this same amount of money. Sit back, I'm going to show you how I make this amount of money. And so this is my channel, the Finance Masterclass, where I post videos on how to make money online. And if you are someone that is watching me right now and is interested in making money online, just make sure you go down there, click on the red subscribe button. Do make sure you turn on the notification bells so that you can stay updated when I drop awesome videos like this. And also over here on my channel, what we basically do is that I go out there, I found out things that works, and then I come over here making a video of how I did it exactly, hoping that you guys are going to do the same thing and obviously get the same results. So right now, let me walk you guys on how I made that money. Okay, so guys, the first website that paid me was the usertesting.com. So you can either click on the link at the description box or just come over here to Google search engine and search for usertesting.com. So once you search for that, you'll be directed to the main user testing page, as you can see the way it is live on my screen. So once you are here at the main user testing page, next thing you're going to do is that you're going to come over here to the top, this place that says get paid to test. So you're going to click on it. So after clicking on it, you'll be directed to this place where you have to put in your email address. So you put in your email address. So let me just put in my email address. Okay, then after putting your email address, you click on I've read and agree with the terms and conditions. So then you click on get started. So as you can see right here right now, once you've clicked on that, next thing you're going to click on is over here, you're going to click on next. And after clicking on next, you put in your first name. So let me just put in my first name. My first name is Peter. So you put in your first name. My last name is Tayo. You put in your last name. My username is Finance Master. Finance Master. My password, I'll just put in my password. Your zip postal code, your PayPal email address. So guys, I want to tell you something very important that most people that have skipped this part of this video would get and find difficult. So in order to get most of the money as I did, I would advise you to get a VPN. I actually have a VPN software in my system that's just based on the United States. So you can just get an extension. An extension. So get an extension. That's your VPN extension. So I'll advise you to make use of Urban VPN extension. So you can just search for it, Urban VPN extension. So once you search for it, you click here that says Urban Free VPN chrome.google.com. So once you click on that, you see where it says add to Chrome. In yours, if you have not added it before, you're gonna see add to Chrome. But because I already have a Urban Free VPN extension already in this my Chrome, that's why it's saying remove from Chrome. But if you haven't added it before, you're going to see add to Chrome. So that's just how simple it is. So make sure that you're making use of a VPN that the location is set to the United States. So that was the same thing I did. So depending on the location that was being that was being given to you in your urban VPN. So once you have gotten your location, you can now search for the postal code of the location. So let me just make use of any postal code, and then you put in your PayPal email address. So once you put in that, then you click next. So once you do that, you're going to confirm password must contain at least lowercase. So as you can see, they said finance master is taken because I'm actually the one that is finance master. So that's why they said finance master is taken. So I'll just click on next again. So once you have done that, so I click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you have to confirm your email address. After confirming your email address, you just take a little 15 to 20 minute test about user testing, and then after taking the test, they will probably approve your test, and once you have been approved, you'll be able to take in test and get paid for that. So that's all about user testing. So let me just go into the next website of the day. So we have uTest. So now, for you to earn money in uTest, you just come over here and click on become a tester, and then once you click on become a tester, you fill in this page. So once you fill in everything, you fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your date of birth, and you fill in all these. You just complete the sign up, and signing up here for uTest is easier compared to user testing. Compared to user testing, whereby you have to take a particular test and then wait a little while for your test to be approved before you can join the program. But sign up for uTest is direct. Once you complete the sign up, you can start making money from uTest right away. And as you can see, it was uTest again. As you can see, it was uTest that paid me $80 this month. uTest paid me $80. So now the next website we're going to go to is userlytics, and userlytics was the one that paid me $30, $40. They paid me $70. So for you to sign up for userlytics, you come over here and search for userlytics.com, or you can click on the link at the description box. It's already right there for you, so you can decide on which one you click. You can click on that one, or you can go Google search engine and search for userlytics. So as you can see, this is the userlytics homepage. Though it's still loading. Signing up for userlytics is also simple and direct. In fact, I would recommend uTest and userlytics for you guys. uTest, as I showed you earlier, paid me most of the money, and userlytics also paid me good money. uTest paid me $80, userlytics paid me $70 testing this month. So one thing about userlytics is that you have to always be online. You have to always be active for you to take tests, because most of the times if you are not online, you might miss many tests, because the way they normally send tests, the way they run their program is that they message you, they email you that a test is available. So once you can participate in that test, like within 30 minutes that email was sent to you, you will participate in the test, and then you can make money. But once it exceeds 30 minutes and you try to click the link and follow up with the test, they'll tell you that the test is no more available for you. So that's the downside about userlytics. But userlytics is very good. They paid me good money. I received their money, $70 from them, because I was always online and I was ready to work for them. So signing up for this userlytics is also simple. Come over here and click on testers. So once you have clicked on testers, you can see right here, say start earning. You click on start earning. You fill in your start earning. You fill in your email address. You click on submit. Then you also complete your registration. And once you have completed your registration, you have gained your account right away. And I will advise you that once you sign up for UserLytics, always be online so that you can always attempt this test. So in summary, uTest paid me most of the money, $80. I made $80 from uTest, followed by UserLytics. The first payment I received was $30 and the second payment was $40. So altogether, I would say UserLytics paid me $70, and then UserTesting, the last one, I don't know why they paid me $70. $60. So that's the sum of everything. So now I believe that you guys enjoyed the video. I believe that you guys are going to do this right now. Make sure you complete the sign up and do everything. And whatever question you have, or whatever thing that is not like that getting you confused, just go to the comment section and pour out your mind. But before you pour out your mind, just thank me for this video, because it wasn't easy for me to compile these videos for you guys. So just make sure you appreciate this video first, then you tell me your questions. So do make sure you have a great day, and also happy new month to you guys. Love you.